Okay, so today we're gonna test the common myth that Coke and Mentos creates a reaction. So on top of that, we're going to test 7-Up, root beer, and Coke. And we will do one trial with 1 mint Mento for each of those, and then 2 mint Mentos for each of those, and then 3 fruit flavored Mentos to see what kind of reaction we get. Let's see what happens. I think that the myth will be confirmed and that the most reactive will be Coke, the second most reactive will be the 7-Up, and last will be the root beer.
I think the more the carbonation in the drink, the more will be the, what's the word for that?
Bursting.
I shouldn't be saying explosion, but
The bursting.
yeah, the bursting's gonna be even more. So I'm thinking, like John said, yeah, Coke's gonna burst the more. Like, is the word burst like appropriate over here?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, for me, I think the most bursting will be 7-Up because it has the most carbonation, I think. And then it will be Coke and it'll be root beer. That's my prediction.
So we have 3 different carbonated beverages over here, and as per our research, 7-Up's the most carbonated, followed by Coke and the root beer, and we have 2 packs of Mentos. One has just got mint, and the other one has fruit flavors like lemon, strawberry, watermelon, and everything. So now we're also gonna check what flavors would dissolve fast and the least, and which drink would lead to the massive burst and the least burst.
Here we are setting up for our first experiment where we are screwing on the top before we place the Mentos inside and put on the cap.
Ready, John?
Yes, I'm ready. After a couple failed experiments, this is trial number 1 with 7-Up and the mint Mentos.
What do you have to say about this?
It looks like it's going pretty good. We'll see how it compares to the other ones. But it did work, so we'll see.
So the science behind why the explosion takes place is because the beverage contains carbon dioxide in the aqueous state, and when we put a Mentos in it, the cavities present in the Mentos reacts with the carbon dioxide over there, leading to an explosion. And whatever the explosion is, that's the gaseous carbon dioxide.
This is experiment number 1 for Coke and Mentos, mint Mentos. Alright, this is our prediction to be the best, so we'll see how it goes. So far, it's not looking like it's doing so good.
With the Coke, the bottle was frozen, so we had to take the liquid out into a beaker and give a hot water bath. So during that process, the carbonation was lost, because once we take the bottle out, the carbon dioxide tends to react with the moisture, so we didn't have enough liquid, so as a result of which our reaction failed.
Alright, this is experiment number 1 with the root beer and mint Mentos. Alright, looks like it's going pretty good. If you remember, we predicted this to be last, so we'll see. Alright, this is experiment number 2 with 7-Up, and this time we're using 2 Mentos. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's starting to go. We'll see. Remember, this is our prediction for the second highest. This is a bit disappointing, I have to admit.
A few moments later.
Alright, as you can see, it's slowly going up.
After about 30 seconds?
Not much of a reaction, but it's slowly getting there.
Could be due to the ice blocking our pathway of the Mentos. Oh well. I guess it is bursting a little bit. Underwhelming? Yes or no?
Very underwhelming.
The second trial with 2 Mentos, when we had 7-Up as our sample, our reaction kind of failed. The reason behind that was we had a thick layer of ice in the bottle, so the Mentos didn't go all the way down. As a result of which, the Mentos didn't get to react with the carbon dioxide.
Alright, this is experiment number 2 with Coke, and we have 2 Mentos. Let's see how it goes. This is very underwhelming, as you can see. Not sure what's going on. This could be due to the fact that we had to heat up the Coke. May have lost some carbonation.
We had to take it out of the bottle actually. We put it in a beaker, heated it up, and then put it back in the bottle. So that probably affected the results. We also had to take from another bottle of Coke and pour it into this one to put it up. So many variables could have ruined our experiment with this Coke.
As you can see, not much reaction. And this was our prediction for the highest reaction, so.
Well, maybe we can redeem ourselves at our third trial. We will see.
Alright, this is experiment number 2 with the root beer, and again we're using 2 Mentos this time. Let's see what happens. Alright, this is looking like a success. We got a bigger eruption that time, a bigger reaction. Looking good.
Indeed, looking very good right now. Volcano.
Alright, this is experiment number 3 with the 7-Up, and we're trying 3 fruit flavored Mentos, so we're feeling good about this one. Let's see how it goes. Alright. What do you have to say about that? That was a success, major success. We almost hit the ceiling.
Literally, I don't think I record that, but yeah, we're happy about this one.
Alright, this is the 3rd experiment with the Coke, and this time we have 3 different flavors of the fruit Mentos, so let's see how it goes. As you can see, that was a pretty good reaction. We'll see how it lines up with the other one. Alright, this is trial 3 for the root beer, and this time we have 3 fruit Mentos. Oh! We are optimistic for this one. Let's see.
Shit. Oh shit.
Alright, well, you're gonna have fun cleaning that up.
Get up on the ceiling.
Oh, alright, as you can see, that was our largest reaction yet. That was 3 fruit Mentos. We did hit the ceiling. We'll be cleaning that up later.
Decision, the myth has been confirmed. Actually, our prediction was that our 7-Up was gonna be the highest, then Coke, and then root beer. However, root beer was the highest with 3 Mentos, then 7-Up with 3 Mentos, and then Coke. But yeah.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it, as we put a lot of effort into editing it and making it. I hope you will like our next videos as well. See you then.
This is the result of our experiment, putting up the ceiling.